Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Still Plays with Toys. Yes, you might know me as Mark from RaceGrooves. I was over at Walmart and I seen this huge end cap display of these surprise balls, a whole bunch of blue balls all over the place, and only 2 pink ones. I asked a Walmart employee, do you have a different display for the pink ones? And she told me, nope. Everybody bought all the pink ones. I guess they don't like the blue ones that much. So I thought, I felt bad, so why don't I buy one of the blue balls and then I'll go ahead and open it up. Looks like they have different types of prizes inside. Over 300 toys to find. There's the one I picked. I decided to get one of the pink ones too. I left the other pink one for somebody else. I'm just kind of curious what kind of stuff. Looks like they have all sorts of cute little animals, maybe little figures, animals, little toys. In the blue one, looks like they have, you could get dinosaurs. Looks like a ninja, some type of robot warrior, maybe an army guy. Might get a vehicle. I'll check them out. By the way, it says it's by ZURU Toys over on RaceGrooves. I need to review this set right here. It's by ZURU. It's called Metal Machines. I'll have to check that out over there on RaceGrooves. That won't be something, since it has a vehicle in there, I think I'm going to do it over there on RaceGrooves. Anyways, let me let me get this started. I got myself a little starter spot. By the way, on RaceGrooves, I still need to open up these Rocket League clip-on toys, clip-on cars. They sent them to me, and I still gotta open them up. This will remind me, hey, I gotta get these done. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, it says 5 surprises. I follow toy news, and I seen these being released, and I thought, that's pretty cool. 5 different layers for you to unbox. It's like buying 5 toys in one. It's like buying 5 surprise toys, right? They were $5, so basically each one's going to wind up being like $1 each. The only thing I was thinking of, even though it's 5, even though it's 5 toys, 5 layers, I was also kind of thinking, that might make a lot of trash. But it's a toy. It's something to enjoy. I don't know if you can reuse some of the parts or not. It said there's 5 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5 sections. Maybe this isn't the toy I was thinking of, actually. The toy I was thinking, oh, maybe it is. It's like a fruit. We have different layers of the fruit to peel. There's one. What do we have here? We have a little dude. Hey, wait a second. That might not be a dude. It's got ponytails. It's got a skirt. It's like a monster. It's like a zombie. See how it's walking? It's like a little zombie. Has a little stand. Let's go ahead and open up one of the pink ones. These are kind of neat. Oh, a brush. Perfect for my zombie. And the brush looks like it has a decoration. I better not let Amanda see this because it looks like a cupcake and she likes cupcakes. There you go, zombie. Now one from the blue. Oh, we got bonus things in here. Skateboards, cars. Oh, we don't do that on my channel. I guess these are the different things that you can find. Zombie dogs, glow zombies, squishies and squeezers, super balls, army men, ninjas, key pins. Let's see what's on the other side. There's the logo. Collector's guide. You have putty, slime, water balloons, skateboards, cars, 4 styles, 4 colors. That would be 16 different variations. I wonder how much they look like those chocolate toys. The cars that come in the chocolate toys. Sea creatures, 4 styles, 2 colors. I hope I get one of those. I like sharks. I like sea creatures. Dinos, 6 styles and 2 colors. They show green. I wonder what the other color would be. Insects, 4 styles, 2 colors. They got a lot of variety and something else. Looks like I got a car. Purple car, that's one of the colors. I think it said 4 cars, 4 colors, right? I'm not going to be buying anymore. I'm only just doing this one just to check them out. There's a couple of small parts in there. By the way, I did see something saying that these were intended for ages 3 and up. Now, of course, I'm in the and up part. I'm definitely up. This will go right here. Got a little motor to put together. Here's your spoiler or your wing. Pretty cool. Is it a pullback? Oh, freewheeling. It looks like it would roll pretty good. Too small for the boosters. As a matter of fact, this set right here, those cars are plastic. I wonder how it would work on that. So here we have the 2 boys, or the 2 blue balls. Here's one from the pink ball. Let's go ahead and get another one. Oh, there's our list for the pink ones. We have a shoe. It's a high heel shoe on a keychain. Sorry, your foot's too small. Let's see what the surprises can be for the pink balls. You can find ponies, 4 colors. 4 styles, 4 colors. Mermaids, 4 styles, 4 colors. Butterfly rings. You know, when I used to do birthday parties for kids, the boys loved, you got a prize if you won a race. Boys like getting rings and necklaces as prizes. It was almost as if they were able to show how many times they won. And I don't care. If you like rings, I don't care. Brushes and combs, oh, we got one of those already. We got the blue one, it's right there. Now we gotta look for the yellow accessory. Is it shoes or clothing? What will it say? Badges. I wonder if those are stickers. Cute pets. Pretty plants. Dress up princesses. I think the plants would be kind of neat. Princesses, not for me. Highlighters. Oh, you can get little markers. Key pins. Color pins. Glitter glue pins. Hey, the girls get some pretty cool stuff. What's up with that? Stickers, silly bands, putty. Hair clips and bands. Stamps. How come the girls, they get all this cool stuff? I shouldn't say the girls. How come they have all the cool stuff in the pink balls? Gem beads. Heart-shaped balloons. Shoes. There you go. There's our yellow shoe. And last one. Ice cream. Man, the pink balls got all the good stuff. No wonder all the pink balls were gone. Here we go. Time for blue. Oh, we got balloons. Wow, these are tiny, teeny, tiny balloons. You get 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it says 5 prizes, but actually now we got 5, 6, 7. And over on the pink side. Hello. Hello. There it is. It's 3D stickers. Wow. Wow. I like the stuff that's in the pink balls. It's very cute. Looks like we have a kitty. Looks like a kitty. No, look at the nose. That might be a puppy. That's a cat. This one looks like a pig on this side. As I turn them sideways, they're puffy. They're just not flat stickers. They're kind of puffy. 7 to 5. I don't know what's cooler. I like the cars. The puffy stickers are pretty cool. Now it's time for another boys. Blue ball. Now we got stickers. Glow in the dark stickers, but they're not puffy. I like the puffy. I take it back. I like the glow in the dark. Here you have skull and crossbones. Oh, here you got some gross dude with flies flying around. And here's another car. It doesn't look like that. No, it's definitely not the same car over there. No, it has an engine in the front, no engine in the front. I will check out how they glow at the end of the video. Here's time for a pink ball. Let's get them separated though. Only one more left. Hey, we got a little bow. Little clip-on bow. That's kind of neat. You can clip it on anywhere. That's pretty nice. And it's fabric. That's actually pretty nicely designed. Here comes the last one for the blue ball. And what do we have? Oh, silly bands. Let me get my scissors. There were 5 silly bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Had 2 light blue ones. I don't think this is a car. I'm not sure what this would be. What do you think? You know what? It's kind of looking like it might be a lizard if you're looking top down on a lizard. Because when I look at this one, it kind of looks like a bug, a little scorpion or something with pincers. So if this is a bug and this might be a creature too, maybe that's like a lizard. What is this? Oh yeah, I know what this is. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that was silly. Yeah, I think it's a shark. Actually, I think it goes this way. Maybe I had the wrong fin in the air. I had them upside down like this. I think it's supposed to go like this. Silly goose. Oh yeah, look at that one. Speaking of Matchbox Jurassic World cars, look at that. Got a little dinosaur. It has to be a dinosaur, huh? It so looks like a dinosaur. And this one? It looks like a bug that got stepped on. Splat. Oh, wait. I think I see a head with antenna. What do you think? A moth? A butterfly? It's not hard to see. The darkness. What's your guess? And time for the last one in the pink ball. Let's open it up. Carefully get our scissors. Cut through. Oh, silly bands! They're kind of all stuck together when they're in the bag because they've been squished up for so long. They're all stuck together. I see pink, purple. Maybe we have 2 purple things. 2 pink. It looks like I have one there, and then this yellowish color. The yellow one looks like a kangaroo or a rabbit already. What do you think? Let's go ahead and take the yellow one out. At first I thought it was a kangaroo or a rabbit. Let's turn it and see what it might be. A seal? Oh, there you go. Ding, ding, ding. Now for sure. For sure. That's a rabbit. Let's see, what else do we have in this tangled mess? There we go. What you think? I was thinking pineapple. I don't know. I really don't know. And next, so that was purple. Let's get one of our pink ones out of here. Hey, is that a music note? Kind of looks like a music note. That's my guess. Looks like a music note. The other pink one? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the ugliest one? Fairest one of all. And last but not least, octopus. Oh, nope, not an octopus. You know what that is. So do you collect these surprise toys? These 2 were pretty cool. Silly bands, you know, you can wear them like wristbands, put them on your wrists. So depending on what colors you like, you buy the product that you want. This one here, the pink boy. This is fabric. This is really nice. This fabric. Collecting shoes and stuff, not for me. Maybe somebody else does that. And you know what? These come in handy. Not me. I don't have much hair. But for your dolls and stuff, this will come in handy for combing the hair on your dolls. Hey, let's check out the glow-in-the-dark stickers. My camera is usually not pretty good with the glow-in-the-dark stuff, but hey, it looks pretty good. These stickers glow real good. I thought I would try the ones that came from the pink ball to see if they were glow-in-the-dark. No, they are not glow-in-the-dark, but guess who is? Yeah, that little figure's glow-in-the-dark too. Thank you for watching this Still Plays with Toys presentation. Bye-bye.